Hello guys, it's Ahmed here. Welcome back to the channel. I just want to reiterate again, I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for entertainment purposes and my opinion only. Once again, welcome back. I'm just going to give you guys an update video on ticker symbol NCTY. I made about 4 to 5 videos on this already. When I first started making videos on this, the price was at $30. It was after their first offering. You can click that video at the end of this. I will give you guys a link to that, or you can just go to my channel and view all my other videos for this company. Once again, ticker symbol NCTY. The9 is a cryptocurrency mining company, blockchain related services. It is an international company located in China. Currently, the price is $26.60. Yesterday I had a good run, about 15% from $25 to $28, but today it took a little hit. My position is 95 shares at $33 and $33 a share. If I had more capital, I would definitely add to my position, but right now all my capital is held up in other stocks that I really don't want to sell right now. But this, as you can see, this company hit an all-time high of $89. So yeah, this company could at least 100% to 200% return. You can get 100 to 300% return. Sorry about that. According to my opinion, I'm highly convicted in the stock. That's the only reason I'm investing in it. If you guys are not highly convicted in a stock, please do not invest in it. Do not copy any of my positions. But I just want to be transparent with my positions. But yeah, I really do believe in this company, and I just want the update for this is if you guys want to know why it's down today, it's down 6% today. I'll show you why in a couple of minutes. But I've had a lot of people in the comments telling me if they should sell or hold. I think you guys should hold if you can. If you have an average price above this price, try to average down a little bit as much as you can, because I think the stock is gonna rip once Bitcoin rips properly. Right now, it's just trading pretty much sideways. Like I showed you before, this thing hit a new high on February 19th. If you guys are not following Bitcoin, I'll show it to you. Right now, it's been just trading sideways for the week, even for the month, almost sideways, really. If you see this February 19th, about here is when Bitcoin was in a very good bull run and it hit a new all-time high. Then it cooled off a little bit and another new high. Then now it's been just trading sideways. That's another reason why this company is down a lot compared to Mara and Riot. This company, their value mostly retains on the Bitcoin's price, and I don't think they mine too much Bitcoin when it's in a bear market. Like right now, they're not mining any Bitcoin because it's not valuable for them right now until it reaches a newer high. And they're still developing their company. I'll show you some articles on that, or you can see some of my previous videos too. But one reason why it's down today is because they had another offering. They did have another offering right before I made my first video. It was at $41 and it had another offering, went down to 30. Then today it had an offering, went from 28 to 26. But a lot of people think offerings are bad, but offerings are a sign that the company is trying to grow their company. And these blockchain companies and cryptocurrency mining companies have only been prevalent this year. As you can see, this thing started running this year. Even Bitcoin, if you follow Bitcoin, you know that Bitcoin has only been running this year. If you see 1 year, see, this year is when Bitcoin started running hard. Before that, it was just like pretty much flat. If you see, 2020 only 21K. Now it's at almost 60K. So these companies are still evolving and still trying to grow their companies. That's why they're offering shares and all that other stuff. This company's it tells you what they're doing. So I'll read it for you guys. Gaming mining company The9 to buy 2,000 Bitcoin mining machines for $6 million in stock. company also completed the signing of definite agreements for 12,000 units of Bitcoin mining machines with a total hash rate of 288 PH per second. Most of the hash rates I've seen right now are probably around 100 PH per second, and this company just bought 14,000 Bitcoin mining machines. Like, they're really growing the company, and they're going to be mining Bitcoin like crazy. Um, if you guys want to read this article, you guys could read it straight off Robinhood, or you could just go to coindesk.com and read this. But once again, it's an international company, and The9, a Chinese game company, The9, said Friday it agreed to buy 2,000 units of Avalon miners mining machines for about $6 million in stock. In an announcement, The9 said it signed a memorandum of understanding to buy the machines with a total hash rate of 100 PH per second. To pay for the machines, The9 said it would issue 8 million ordinary shares. That's an international company, so 8 million ordinary shares in China, in international terms, is equivalent to 270K of American shares. Based on the company's share price of $24 prior to signing the MOU, the deal is valued around $7 million, $6.7 million. The9 also said it completed the signing of definite agreements for 12,000 units, so 2,000 here, 12,000 here, 14,000, about 15,000, and they probably have more already now, so they're really increasing their company a lot. And these 12,000 even have a bigger hash rate of 288 PH per second. This one's only 2,000 for 100, and this one is almost 12,000, 6 times as much more, and almost triple the amount of PH. And they will issue 10 million shares for this one, and which is equivalent to 300,000 ADS. So they got a pretty good deal on this, and it does have a lockup period of 6 months. So after 6 months, this company that they bought these machines from can sell it at that point, insider selling after 6 months, so around October. And as reported by CoinDesk, Bitcoin's hash rate, which is a way to measure the total power consumption of mining output of the network, has topped a new all-time high as mining firms like The9 continue to add more hash power. You guys can read more about this and if you want on Robinhood, but yeah, that is my opinion on the stock, and that's an update on it. Once again, that's why I dropped today, and I think Bitcoin is gonna turn around this weekend. It's gonna rip toward the end of the month. I know it. At least after next week, it's gonna rip. So maybe if this thing drops a little bit more, and I can get some capital somehow, I can average down a little bit more. But yesterday it did have a 15% run. So if Bitcoin becomes stronger, this is gonna go off. It's not gonna go back down until after Bitcoin goes back to a bear market. I don't know what my plan is gonna be with this company going forward. I don't know if I'm gonna sell if it hits the all-time high, then just buy back in when it drops, or just continue to hold and then just buy back in each time it drops. I'm not really sure on what I want to do. I have to see how the chart develops pretty much. Like I said, this thing just started developing pretty much in the beginning of January. It wasn't doing anything beforehand, so I have to see how it reacts with Bitcoin and what happens when they get all their new machines and everything like that. But I'm convicted in this company. Hopefully it doesn't drop any more than this. I'm tired of seeing red every day. I'm losing, even though it's down 6%, I'm losing a lot of money on this. But yep, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can post in the comments. And once again, please like and subscribe the video. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Please interact in the comments if you have any questions or concerns or opinions on this. And if you want to compare it to Marathon or Riot, let me know like what are your thoughts on it. But once again, thank you and have a good day.